This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Hanna. Wow! Beautiful large home over 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, with all the upgrades. Move-in ready. Location, 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 close to shops, highway, hospital and shops. Beautiful dark kitchen made for cooking and entertaining with granite. Room/office with outside entrance currently used as a hair salon. Flexible floor plan for your needs. One owner, pride of ownership. Must see. For more information, review the details below.